Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. How are you? I'm thrilled for this reason that now I'm going to remind you a hadith about the uses of miswak. You've already known that hadith. I'm going to just you remind. Our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said in the hadith, "Lawla shukka ala ummati la amartuhum bis-siwak 'inda kulli salah." Meaning, if I didn't think it would be hard for my followers, I would have ordered them to use the miswak before every single prayer. As a Muslim ummah, we should follow this hadith and we should follow this sunnah as well. We should use miswak during this month particularly because this month is the month of Ramadan, and in this month one good things is equal to 70 good things, or more than 70 to 700 good things. So we should use the miswak more and more, minimum before 5 times prayer.